विधानसभेच्या पणजी आणि वाळपई पोटनिवडणुकीसाठी बुधवारी सकाळी 8 वाजल्यापासून मतदान होणार असून त्यासाठी मतदान केंद्र सज्ज झाली आहेत। मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रिकर आणि आरोग्यमंत्री विश्वजित राणे यांच्या बरोबरच सरकारचं भवितव्य पणाला लागलं असल्यानं या पोटनिवडणुकीकडे गांभीर्यानं पाहिलं जातंय। दोन्ही मतदारसंघात मिळून 51,000 मतदार 7 उमेदवारांचं भवितव्य ठरवणार आहेत। या निवडणुकीचा निकाल 28 ऑगस्टला लागणार असून त्या दिवशी सकाळी 8 वाजल्यापासून मतमोजणीला प्रारंभ होणार आहे।
As we speak, the polling parties are already reaching the polling stations. All of them have been dispatched in both constituencies, and many of them have already reached. The others are on the way. All the arrangements are in place for tomorrow's polls. So, some information regarding certain orders which have been issued under 144 CRPC and other information we would like to share with you. So, as is the case always during any election, there are a couple of 144 orders which have been passed. One is, of course, against the assembly of 5 or more persons within the premises of the polling station or for any other place for that matter. Unlawful assembly, that is something which is prohibited. We do not want any law and order situation, any scuffle, any argument, nothing of that nature. We want a completely peaceful and smooth poll. Similarly, vehicles which were permitted for use by the contesting candidates, those vehicles cannot ply on the road anymore. The campaigning period is over yesterday. And even private vehicles are being monitored. They are being put under surveillance. You may have seen several chowkis in various parts of Panjim and definitely in Walpoi constituency also, where checking is happening in a way which is not disruptive to the public. That is the order regarding unlawful assembly. Then, of course, dry day has been declared, as you are aware, starting from 5 o'clock yesterday in the evening, which will last till midnight tomorrow, and also on the day of counting, which is the 28th. Then I've also issued one order prohibiting the running of or the opening of hotels, restaurants, shops, etc., which are places where people could congregate within the 200 meters radius from the polling station, to avoid any situation where there could be a scuffle or an argument or any type of law and order situation in the close vicinity to the polling station. You are already aware that there are 30 polling stations in Panjim and there are 46 polling stations in Walpoi. So we have one model polling station each in both these constituencies too. The strong room for the poll DVMs, once they return late tomorrow after the polls, will be in the old GMC complex. The strong room for 11 Panjim constituency is in the ground floor of the old GMC complex, and for 19 Walpoi it is in the first floor. And this will also remain our venue for the purposes of counting. So the strong room will be under the complete security arrangement supervised by the CPF, as is mandated by the Election Commission of India. The inner radius is under the complete charge of the CPF. It will be handed over to them once the strong rooms are sealed in the presence of the observers. The middle perimeter, as they call it, is with the IRBN, and the outermost perimeter is manned by the local police. And we have already made arrangements for the candidates or the political party representatives to view the CCTV footage of the CCTVs which have been installed outside the strong rooms. A tent has been put up outside the perimeter of the main entrance of the old GMC complex. And there the political party representatives or candidates or their agents can come and view the CCTV footage till the day of counting. Similarly, the police control room has also been set up there, 24/7 control room which will be manned by an executive magistrate has also been set up, which will operate from inside the complex. The counting, as you are aware, will begin on the 28th at 8 o'clock. The counting will begin. The counting will be taken up for Panjim constituency in the ground floor adjacent to the strong room, and similarly for Walpoi adjacent to the strong room on the first floor. For your information, we have also set up a media center where the media persons are most welcome to come and use the facilities as instructed by the commission. Again, all the facilities for your transmission of information, including TV screens, your printers, computers, phone, fax, all of these facilities will be provided in the media center. And as is the norm, you will be escorted, the authorized media persons will be escorted in small groups of 2 or 3 to witness the counting as well.
Elections We have strengthened the nakabandis in both the legislative assembly constituencies. In Panjim alone, since yesterday night, we had around 8 places where nakabandis were held by CPMF as well as the local staff. Similarly, in Valpoi, we have a strict double layer nakabandi at the Keri outpost, as well as nakabandis have been strengthened all over the constituency there.